I usually make a number of videos introducing myself, talking about more about what I'm working on, which I think people would find interesting. So, to describe myself, a doctorate level in virtual reality, computer science, and I write science fiction, which is highly imaginative. So honestly, I have a really high creative IQ, so I come up with a lot of strange ideas that some people say, what? I think they're silly, but many people think their own ideas are great and other people's ideas are silly, so it doesn't matter. I've recently created an appliance, a network appliance that uses Open Simulator, and Open Simulator has come a long ways these days. I want to say it really has fulfilled its promises of being an open source virtual world for the internet. In fact, I would consider it the de facto virtual world server for the internet now, since there are so many hypergates connecting many standalone servers. I've put together a Diva distribution that's on a network appliance that I call Valis. So that appliance is really great for having your own home, personal-based virtual world. And also it could be used probably in a data center as well. I write a lot of articles on Rocket Virtual about that, and you can read about those. But maybe what I should also concentrate on is a little bit about my science fiction writing and how using concepts like the technological singularity and Kurzweil and Vinge, that you understand how maybe there's this chance that artificial intelligence, or alternatively, and I want to make this point, enhanced human intelligence to an artificially high level, but still retaining our emotional base and our creativity base, so that we can do things like, you know, I've never been great in calculus, but what if I had a calculus helper app? You know, that would be really cool, like an artificial intelligence calculus helper app. And then I could do things, you know. Alright, so having a little fun there, telling you about myself, and now I'd like to show you about the Valis virtual personal world appliance. Okay, Valis is a personal virtual world appliance built off of this fanless shuttle system here. And it has a dual-core Atom processor in it, and a very fast SSD, solid-state drive. Okay, and it's connected to my router over here. The router number is a D-Link DIR or something or another. I'll have it in, yes, 655, the older version. You can see it flashing away there. And then in this instance, I'm connected to my virtual world VRDU.com, but I'll switch back over to the personal world of Valis running on the server. I'll switch to the server console in just a moment. Okay, so here is a view of the world through the viewer, the Singularity viewer I have installed, connected to Valis, the virtual world appliance. And I press this button down here, and I'll switch back to the console. So here's the console of Valis, okay, and you can type commands up here in the console area right here. And this is and that's Valis internally on the server side, and then back again to the client side, where this little keyboard connected to the virtual world appliance up there is basically controlling that avatar right there. So last of all, I'd like to plug VRDU.com, my science fiction themed virtual world, which was the prototype for Valis. On Rocket Virtual, you'll see articles again saving humanity with virtual reality or your personal virtual world appliance, the futures of OpenSim, and how to build your own virtual world. Thank you very much, and this is Michael Blade out.